Yeah, new day, new possibilities, they say. This time of Corona, everything is kind of crazy. I'm trying to do the best out of it. Yesterday it was snowing a lot again. Today the sun will come up. They say sun, UV light from the sun is very important to take away infections in the body and things like that. So maybe I should have been sitting here, but I get very fast sunburned, so I have to do something else. And maybe I can do something smart. Here, inside, things are ready for starting to put in other things. Should have tried to take out these screws in the front here, but maybe I should start to clean out a little in the back, so I can put on the back carpet. This is a screw for the seat here. This, aha, stupid me, this one is going under here. Okay, I have to take out these things and clean up that. When I was putting in the carpet, I reacted a little to that. It was so hanging so much. I don't remember that it was hanging this much. And now I remember why. That one is under there. And this one is under here. Now things should be a little kind of more normal. I'm trying to put on this. Where it's supposed to. I'll take down the carpet. That is very dusty. Shouldn't leave it at this. Then I see this. Before I try to put them up again, I just go and get clean water and try to clean up a little. Yeah, finally I get to open the back door and get the seats up. So now I have washed out. Washed out the loose dirt so I say now. And then found some more boxes, adapters that I have to clean, so I just let this stand drying for a little, go in and clean more things, and after a while I can come back and start putting in things here. No, the carpet is in. Fine screws. Missing one of these. So I have to put in this front pieces over here, because that is supposed to be under there. Yeah. 4 screws. Hopefully it's 10mm. I put on those in the back. One of this is missing. Yeah. Very nice. The carpet is back in the car. Yeah. Both front and back carpets are in. I cleaned up the back seats a little and put them up once, and I just take them down again just to see. Now I have to just wait and see a little. I just put in the seats here. I was thinking maybe I should take out the screw down here first, but I'm not sure. Thank you for visiting this time too. Hope you come back. If you haven't seen the other videos, you can just check out. There's a lot of different things when I was taking this car apart. And things around there. So just check it out. Maybe it's something you need to understand, something you think is funny to look at, me. And hope you subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of other cars standing.